What is going on, aquatic family? Eric here with Aquascape Gods, and today we are going to talk about a mistake that I made. If you remember, a few months ago I set up this really cool patio pond outside, and I made it in a way that the sun would take care of it. I'd refill it if I have to, but like rainwater was refilling it, so I really don't have to worry about it too much. Put some awesome pond plants in it, and it was thriving. And here it is. You know, not thriving. The reason for that is because I forgot all about it because I don't have to take care of it really. It takes care of itself. And then winter kind of came, but it wasn't really cold outside. And then boom, freezing temperatures. And I'm sitting in my living room one day and I'm like, yeah, I should probably bring that thing inside. So I went outside and checked it out. And as you'll see by the video that's about to pop over my face here, yeah, it was frozen. So good for me. So today you're going to watch me break apart the ice, take a bunch of water out of it, and just transport it in here. Because it's kind of been on its own and winter has really been kind of slow this year, I don't think it was frozen for all that long. I think it was just the day or two that the freezing temperatures hit and it froze. So I brought it in here. I have the CFL light on it. It's just a 6500K CFL light, normal clip desk lamp. Nothing fancy. That's what we had on the old one. One of the first videos that we have on our channel, and I'll link it up here, it is us making an indoor pond. And it's essentially the same steps. We filled it. It had a bubble filter. It had a coolie loach that lived in it for 2-3 years until I moved it into one of our tanks. I'm hoping it'll bounce back. It's really not in that bad of shape, but I would like to see it do a little bit better. So I'm going to nurse it back to health. So I got it in here, got the light on it. Use some of the 2-hour Aquarist liquid ferts, which we use in all of our tanks. If you've never used this stuff, by the way, it's awesome, and we have a link down in the bio, so check it out, because it's great. But before we get started with the move, I just want to remind everybody, as always, to like this video, comment down below, and let us know if you think this thing is going to bounce back. It's not so bad. You'll see close-up shots of it in a second. And as always, subscribe to the YouTube channel. That helps so much. A simple like on the video gets it pushed out to other people so they can see all the content that we put out for you guys. And subscribing, just make sure that you get notified every time that we post a video so you don't miss one. So definitely don't forget to like and subscribe. You know what? As a matter of fact, you subscribe right now. I'll wait. Okay, well, without further ado, let's get you going on moving this pond from outside to inside, and I'll see you guys at the end. Alright, aquatic family, well, that was us moving the pond inside, so it's no longer a patio pond, it's now an indoor pond again, like it originally was. Before it was a patio pond. It wears a lot of hats, I guess. Before I let you all go, I just want you to know me and Ryan have some really big projects coming out over the next probably months, if I were to guess, because as you know, it's not just about scaping, it's also about planting, and we have a lot going on behind the camera right now that I have to update all of you on. So if you're not already subscribed, please tap that subscribe button right below to make sure that you get notified for our future videos. Like the video to help push us out in the algorithm, the YouTube algorithm. You know, that's a make it or break it for us. So tap that like button, help us out, it would mean the world to me. And comment down below and let me know if it's bouncing back. As always, I'm Eric with Aquascape Gods. Have a great day.